All right, hey everybody, it's Craig Schlett here, founder of the Entrepreneur Accelerator. Today I'm going to jump in and show you a survey funnel. So this is a funnel that I use to get leads for people that are interested in online businesses. So uh, I find that quizzes are awesome. You gather some great data and they're really engaging. So they get people involved and it kind of sucks them in. So this particular quiz, again, is which online business is right for you. So I ask, I think, about 6 or 8 questions in here, all leading down the path of an online business or online entrepreneur. What's your biggest reason for wanting to start an online business? I want to get rich and make a ton of money. Which best describes you? I enjoy sharing and teaching and helping others. I'm very analytical, tactical. I'm comfortable with both. So I'm learning all kinds of interesting information, and you can create, different kinds of multiple choice, um, options here. I'm an intermediate. Excuse me. Number 4, which of the following is most important to you? So you can, and again, I'm just profiling a little bit more to understand, exactly what, this particular person, uh, you know, values here. So, is it money or is it helping others? So then I, kind of qualify, what level of income are they able to invest, or what kind of, amount of money they can invest in building or starting an online business. Some people have lots of money, 2,000 or more. Some are totally broke. Some are in a budget area. So number 6, what's the time frame? So, what's the urgency? Are people already desperate, or are they, looking to grow something longer term? So, uh, so here we'll just do this one, and then bang, you get results. So again, this is a lead magnet, so we're capturing their information and their email, and send them on to the quiz results. So I'm going to show you now the back end of this funnel, so you can see what this whole page looks like and how you can build a survey funnel like this, and just show you also what you can do with the results and the responses that people get, because you can send them down different pathways or different funnels based on what they say. So again, here's the page. As you can see in the editor, looks very much like what is on the home page, except, now we're in the editor where you can add and change things and move around. So most of this other components here, the elements and the sections, all this stuff looks fairly familiar to most people if you're using ClickFunnels. But this is the one element here, which is the survey element, which you can get in the elements tree here. Again, element is in beta, so they're still working through issues, I'm sure, but I haven't had any issues, so it seems to work. But as soon as you click the edit survey options, this is where you have all the questions. So you can manage the questions, you can add questions, you can put questions into groups. Um, there's triggers, outcomes, and settings. So in settings, it shows, just kind of different, do you show a progress bar? You can, the pixel and tag manager. There's a bunch of, just settings in here. Um, triggers, you can trigger different actions when users answer a question. So you can trigger a Facebook pixel or Google tag, some sort of, external campaign to retarget, people that are taking your survey. Outcomes are really interesting. I'm not using these right now. I'm working on building this out. But what you can do is, if somebody chooses a particular outcome, like they answer a question, you can open a pop-up, you can submit a page form, you can, apply various actions. So it's really neat. Some of the things you could do is, add a condition. So let's say, for example, on, how much money do you realistically have? If they answer serious, you add that condition, and then, sorry, delete that one. We have that condition added. Then basically we can, instant page redirect to another URL. We can open a pop-up, submit a page. There's various things we can do. So again, it allows some really good, custom content where you're sending people down a different funnel based on the answers to the questions. So again, adding questions isn't too hard. You create multiple choice. It's the only option really. And really just kind of put your question in. There's various little options and layout things, radial buttons, circles, squares, whichever. and then questions. And so basically, you can just add and create all kinds of questions here. So that's basically a simple survey funnel. They are really good for getting leads and encouraging people to enter onto your email list, and so you can grow it. So I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Please like and subscribe this video. I'm just growing this channel and excited to be sharing a lot of this great information and good training for you guys to help grow your online business. So again, thanks. We'll talk to you in the next video. Cheers.